I am Professor Abdul Karim from Hubli, Karnataka, retired principal. Nowadays, many eye donation camps are going on. Eye, E-Y-E. It is a general perception that Islam does not permit eye donation. When reports are given by eye surgeon, so many Hindus have donated eyes, so many Christians have donated eyes, but Muslims don't donate eyes. The general perception is eye donation is not permitted in Islam. Can we look into this aspect in the light of ijtihad? That is my question.
Okay, that's a good question, but if this question was given and asked to Hadrat Umar ibn al-Khattab, may Allah be pleased with him, he would gather the people of Badr, the companions who attended Badr, and they would make a council to reach a conclusion. Nowadays, I can give you, drive-through fatwa. Oh, it's okay, end of the day. Oh no, it's not okay, end of the day. But it is not for a one man to give a fatwa without proper knowledge. First of all, you have to have the medical knowledge, because you can't make a fatwa. If someone asks me, what happens if the carburetor of my car stalls? Well, I say, Allah says in the Holy Quran, no. Allah says in the Hadith, I don't know, whatever. I give you a fatwa. This is unacceptable. You have to go back to the scholars of this particular science. Beside the medical opinion, you have to have a religious opinion of someone who can acquire this. And such questions usually are put forward in front of the council of Muslim scholars, who would debate for 4 or 5 weeks until they reach a conclusion. To me, personally, if someone says, Sheikh, would you donate your eye? No. Sorry, I don't want anybody to play with my eyes. Sheikh, it's for the benefit of humankind. He said, well, look for other eyes. You can buy elsewhere. These 2 eyes, I want them to go engraved with me. And the Prophet says, ﷺ, breaking the bone of a dead man is like breaking it to a living being. Can you go and break someone's arm? No. So breaking it to the dead man is the same thing. Now, I don't say it's haram. This is my own personal opinion. Would you give your kidneys away? No. He's suffering. Okay, so what? Allah Azza wa Jal made him suffer. He should tolerate, and Allah will give him hidayah, will give him reward. But you can help him. Yes, I can help him when I'm alive. But if I'm dead, no, I'd rather meet Allah with my body. This is an Islamic opinion? No. This is a personal opinion. Your question should be put forward in front of a council of scholars. It's not for one man. Don't listen to me as saying you should do the same. This is a personal opinion of Asim, not of Sheikh Asim, of Asim. Do I want to do this? No, I don't want to do that. But it's up to the brothers and sisters to go to the council. Wallahu alam.